Company located here in Culver City. I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you see all or most of the wigs that we have in store right now. It's Saturday, so you know that means we're getting a lot of calls to see what we have in store. As usual, if you need to get your wig dropped off, drop it off with us during our new business hours. Our current hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Text us to make your appointment. Our text number is 424-258-0657. So if you are looking for a beautiful, custom, glueless, full lace, or front lace wig, shop with us at Magic Hair Company. Shop with us if you want
Everybody's
the best.
saying hello.
Hi guys, hi. How is everybody? I miss you guys. I miss my customers coming in here. I really miss you guys and I'm so glad to be back, but I'm going to try to get on a little bit more and do some lives. Let me know what you guys want to see from me. I'm going to do a few giveaways. Definitely don't forget to check out our product line. It has been selling out. While everybody's at home maintaining their wigs from Magic Hair Company, we've been getting lots of orders for our shampoo and conditioner. You guys know I specially formulated our keratin shampoo and conditioner to maintain your premium wigs and extensions at home. So sometimes you just need a quick refresh for your wigs. This is what you need. You need a shampoo and conditioner combo. For daily wear, this is what I use for any of my wavy, curly, deep body wave, kinky curly textures. Our hydrating curl definer and amplifier is the perfect product that you want to use. When you want to slick down those baby hair, get our edge tamer. So all of our products and all of the wigs behind me you see are in our featured wig section on our website, magichaircompany.com. If you would like to come in the store and pick up the wigs or try on the wig or see it on in person, you must text us first to make an appointment. Our appointment number is 424-258-0657 and we're open right now Wednesday through Saturday. You must text us to make your appointment because we are observing social distancing and we don't want to spread any cooties, so we have to stagger those appointments so that way everybody can get the individual attention they need.
We do have a video on YouTube. I'll send you the link so you can watch it. So I'll send you the direct link. After we get off live, I'll send you the direct link to that video.
Video of what?
Washing a wig.
Oh yeah, we have one, so we will definitely send you that. It's very easy to wash the wig. For washing wigs, this is what I recommend. You just take the wig, hold it like this. I hold my wig like this, and I'll just keep going in this motion right here until it's rinsed out. If it's a longer wig, I'll braid it and then do that and rinse it under the sink. But just like how you would do your own hair, instead of going like this, you want to just continue to move in a downward motion. And then for curly, wavy textures, I like to let it just dry on the mannequin head and spray it with a little bit of this to get the curl back defined, but that's it. Just wash your hair in a downward motion, whether you do it in the sink or the shower or wherever you do it. Just continue that downward motion until it's all rinsed out and let it air dry. And if you have your wig on, like attached to your head, because although our wigs are glueless, you can sew them or glue them down. So they're designed to be glueless. Here is our inside cap construction. We have a, it's not transparent. We have a fake scalp illusion right here. That's because you will not have to wear the stocking cap underneath if you don't want to, so it is preference. As you can see right here, the knots are pre-bleached on all of our units. They do have a less dense hairline, and there's baby hair on that hairline, giving a really, really natural look. We have this adjustable, removable band here, as well as an adjustable band and comb here. You can completely remove this band right here. I recommend removing it if you're going to glue down your wig so you can save the elasticity. Another thing about this, you wear this in the back. So it's going to go to the nape of the wig, as you see right here. But when I put it on the mannequin head, it's going in the front. You do not wear it on the front, you wear it in the back. It's just in the front here to keep stable. But you guys see the really, really amazing hairline we have right here. There's baby hair around this perimeter, so it's going to give you a really, really natural look. Let me hydrate this wig right here. This is wig number 183. She is a 14-inch front lace curly wig. If you want any more information on any of these wigs you see today, all of our wigs have an individual 3-digit number right there, so you can go to magichaircompany.com and put in that 3-digit number and the wig details will come up. So this is a curly wig. I'm just going to kind of finger through and fluff out the hair texture here, and then I'm going to hydrate it to show you what this texture looks, what this texture will look like once it is defined. But as you guys can see, even with the hair being dry, not one single strand comes out on my hand right here, because this is quality hair. Our hair is not going to shed, it's not going to tangle. This is the best you can get. We have high quality hair. I've had my business for over 10 plus years. I've had my store here in Culver City for almost 8 years, praise God. And I'm here to stay, I'm not going anywhere. This lace right here, we will cut this lace off for you. Whether you make your purchase in store or online, we will gladly cut the lace off for you. Just select that option at checkout. We ship all over the US, we ship internationally, and if you want to pick up your items at checkout, you can select either ship or pick up at the store. So as long as it's during our store hours, we will gladly accommodate you picking up your wig here in store, your wig or extensions. Right now I'm just hydrating this, and I'm using the hydrating curl definer and amplifier. As you can see right here, it's just mixed in the bottle with some water. This is a live video, so when the phone rings, we have to answer it.
No, we can order one for you, but not in store. Give me one moment. Braided wigs are starting at $6.50.
No.
Braided wigs are,
We haven't done the pricing yet for that.
okay, it's,
We don't have any braided wigs available right now today.
okay,
So they can check back in about a month.
okay. Hello? Yeah, we haven't fully did the price list on that, and we won't have them until like about a month. So you can call back in about a month, and then we can give you the correct pricing. Okay, bye-bye.
So as you guys can see, I'm just spraying the water bottle with this curl definer, fully saturating the hair, especially the ends. The one thing I really, really like about our curl definer is, for me, I have really sensitive skin. So when I have curly or wavy hair and that product is brushing on my skin all day, my face starts to break out. So I formulated this product so that it does not break my skin out. So if you're like me and have sensitive skin, this is a good product for you to dry. All of the wigs that you see behind me and all of our product line is available at magichaircompany.com, our website. I'm just fingering through the hair here, making sure it's all thoroughly wet. Very important that you get those ends wet, because if you're hydrating your hair and you don't thoroughly saturate the ends, it will dry not perfect. So you gotta fully saturate all of the hair here. Whether you are new to wearing wigs and this will be your first wig, or if you are a seasoned wig wearer, we have the perfect wig for you. All of our wigs are easy to put on. All of our wigs are adjustable. All of our wigs are made with human hair, and we can custom color them for you. We do custom coloring here in store. So if you need a one-on-one color consultation, let us know and we will gladly accommodate you. All done. So this is our 14-inch curly. This is unit number 183. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can easily change the part on here. So this is just where we dried it last time right here, but let me show you, you can really change your part anywhere. Whether the wig is full lace or front lace, you can change the part. All of our wigs have 6 inches of parting space in the front, and there you go, just like that, you can change the part and the part's going to look extremely natural. If you want a natural looking, natural feeling, high quality wig that's going to last you for years to come, shop with Magic Hair Company because we have the best. All right guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.